Alright, this is the unboxing of the MillRight Carve King 2. So you have your assembly instructions, your operation basics, and then the just kind of a letter for support, and then your packing list of everything that's in your box. So first thing, you'll have two of your brackets there in your box. This is the touch plate homing switch, if you ordered that, which is an extra. Here you have your lead screws. T-tracks tells you the quantity too, so most of these things are coming labeled in the box, which is nice to see. These are your extrusions, and it says there's 1 of 2 and 2 of 2, so those are the same pieces there. You'll have your plastic tracks for your wire housings. The router that you chose to come with your kit. Stepper motors. Your electronics. These are going to have all of your hardware, your router mounts, your pillow block bearings, your V-wheel kits you'll have to assemble. This is your homing kit that goes along with the mount. Those are the electronics there. Aluminum angle pieces for assembly. Here's you're going to have your bed, the wood sections. Your extrusions again, it's the second kit of those, just with different lengths. A plate set. And then your supply power. So just double check, make sure there's nothing else in our box. That is everything that was included. And we are ready to assemble our MillRight Carve King 2 CNC machine.